Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to show internet speed on taskbar in Windows 10 and 11. You will get the Windows internet speed into the taskbar over here. It's a very simple process. You have to go for any of your favorite browser, and then you will get this link into the video description. From there you can simply copy it, and then here you will come over into the releases about v1.85. click on that. After scrolling down a little bit, you will find the traffic monitor v185 ARM646 chip. So my computer is 64-bit, that's why I'm going for this one, x64. So I'm going to click on that, and after a short time you can see the download has been completed. And now if I click on the folder icon, you will get the zip folder over here. So I will going to extract it. Click on extract all, and after that here is the extracted folder. So we're going to open this folder, and then we're going to click on this traffic monitor. Click on that. There will be a permission, click yes. And now if we close all the background apps over here, you can simply get this over here. You can see we want it into this taskbar. So how I will going to do that, we're going to click on the right mouse button, and then we're going to click on show taskbar windows. And after that, as you can see, now into the taskbar the internet speed is showing over here. You can see. So now I'm going to remove it from the Windows bar. Going to click on show main window, and as you can see now the bar is disappeared from here, but it remains into the taskbar. So this is how you can simply add internet speed in your taskbar in a very simple manner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.